This is just a quick video about what you should expect for your exams. First of all, remember that you have a group quiz that is due on the last day that the exam is open. It's like a review quiz, completely open note. You can work as a group, you can work individually if you'd like to, but you do need to submit it on Canvas. I will be grading it for accuracy, unlike your homework that is participation points. Now, that being said, if you want to use it to study, once you have submitted your group quiz, you will be able to see the key. You have to have done all of the work for the modules so far, but then you'll be able to see the key and you could use that to study. So keep that in mind. Second of all, there is also an optional practice on active chemistry. If you go into active chemistry and let's make this. So if you go to practice, it will say optional practice exam 1. And this has a whole bunch of practice problems in it that align to the types of multiple choice problems that you will see on the exam. So this is a really good practice. Completely optional. No, it is not for extra credit. It's just there for you. So the group quiz questions are kind of like the short answer questions you will see on the exam. And the practice questions on active are like the multiple choice. So before you actually take your exam, some things you need to know. You are taking your exam in the testing center. So if I were you, I would check out the testing center website. Okay. Here's a link to the hours. You will want to check the hours before you sign up for an appointment or come in. The hours change, so I'm not posting them because it depends on the semester and it depends on how staffed they are. So make sure you check that and schedule an appointment. They have regular hours where you can set an appointment, and they also have drop-in hours. And during drop-in hours, you can just come in. You don't have to set an appointment and take your exam. Okay, I recommend setting up your appointment. So you would follow that link. So if I go back here, you would say schedule main campus course exam unless you're in Pontiac or Lincoln, which is fine as well. Or you can follow this link that says set up appointment. Things that you need: bring your photo ID. I think it can be your license, but you should bring your Heartland ID just in case. You do need your Heartland ID number. So that's why I would bring your card with you. And you do need to know who your instructor is. I am Danica Solberg. The only thing you need to bring with you for the actual exam is, of course, a pencil and then a calculator. Now, you can bring any type of calculator. I do not care what it is. If you have 2 calculators you want to use, also fine, but you do need to bring your calculator. You do not need to bring your periodic table and your charges sheet and your equation sheet because those will be provided to you. So when you come to take your test, bring your calculator, bring your pencil, bring your ID. You will be given the exam as well as a periodic table, the charges sheet that has polyatomic ions in it, and the equation sheet. They are most likely going to be the last 3 pages in your exam, and you're welcome to tear them off. Okay, so that's what you should expect. If you look below this, it tells you what I'm going to be testing you on the exam. So if you have questions on that or need help on that, make sure you hit up our embedded tutor or myself, and we are happy to help. Let me know if you have any questions on how to take the exam and or while you are studying.